Source C by William Safire. Abolish the penny. The following is an opinion piece published in an online edition of a newspaper. The time has come to abolish the outdated, almost worthless, bothersome, and wasteful penny. Even President Lincoln, who distrusted the notion of paper money because he thought he would have to sign each greenback, would be ashamed to have his face on this spacious specie. That's because you can't buy anything with a penny anymore. Penny candy? Not for sale at the Five and Dime, which is now a dollar store. Penny anti-poker? Pass the buck. Any vending machine? Put a penny in it and it will sound an alarm. There is no escaping economic history. It takes nearly a dime today to buy what a penny bought back in 1950. Despite this, the U.S. Mint keeps churning out 1 billion pennies a month. Where do they go? 2/3 of them immediately drop out of circulation into piggy banks, or, as the Times' John Turney noted 5 years ago, behind chair cushions or at the back of sock drawers next to your old tin-foil ball. Quarters and dimes circulate. Pennies disappear because they are literally more trouble than what they are worth. The remaining 300 million or so, that's 10 million shiny new useless items punched out every day by government workers who could be more usefully employed tracking counterfeiters, go toward driving retailers crazy. They cost more in employee hours. To wait for buyers to fish them out, then to count, pack up, and take them to the bank, than it would cost to toss them out. That's why you see penny cups next to every cash register. They save the seller time and the buyer the inconvenience of lugging around loose change that tears holes in pockets and now sets off alarms at every frisking place. Why is the U.S. among the last of the industrialized nations to abolish the peskiest little bits of coinage? At the G8 summit next week, the Brits and French, even the French, who dumped their low domination coins 30 years ago, will be laughing at our senseless jingling.